Hi, this is Anthony Parent of Parent and Parent LLP, IRSMedic.com. If you're looking for someone to help you with a tax issue, you probably are starting to understand what you're up against. The U.S. tax code is the most complicated thing in the history of history. And the reason why is because it is actually, its purpose isn't actually to raise revenue. That's rather incidental. Its purpose is to shape public policy by giving incentives and disincentives for whatever Washington, D.C. decides you should be doing. And that's why we end up with these incredible, complicated issues. The other part of the problem is the tax industry itself has a hand in it. On the lower end of the spectrum, you have outfits such as H&R Block that lobby Congress to keep tax reporting as complicated as possible, even when it's shown that taxpayers as a whole comply at a better rate than H&R Block does itself. And at the higher end, you have many large accounting firms and large law firms that don't want to see the tax code simplified because that means more revenue for them. And I think this was perfectly illustrated last year where our firm and 3 other firms, that's it, were advocating for the repeal of something known as the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. It is an act that raises barely any revenue but punishes people all around the globe for having income and assets outside the U.S. That did not pass, but we are still working for its repeal. That's how dedicated we are to our clients, that we will advocate for changes of law that might reduce people needing us. I think there's some other key benefits of our firm. We are really experienced in dealing with the most complicated IRS issues imaginable. We understand all the challenges, not just the tax issues, the issues that face entrepreneurs and business owners around the globe. We have our own built-in tax preparation department with CPAs and enrolled agents, and it's supervised by attorneys. And I think this is a really, really important advantage that we have. Instead of having to hire an attorney and a CPA and hoping that they get along well, we have it all under one roof at Parent and Parent LLP. We publish our rates. We are internationally recognized experts in taxation. We have decades of success, and we have helped thousands of U.S. taxpayers. And again, you know, we are on our client's side. We have been working to simplify the tax code, and we will continue to do so. We are tax lawyers for tax problems. We handle sort of anything, if everybody on the economic spectrum. We handle IRS audits and examinations, FBAR, reports and offshore disclosures. We probably do more of those than anyone else around the world. Full service corporate tax, including tax planning and structuring, mergers and acquisitions, tax amnesties, tax debt settlements, years of unfiled or misfiled returns, and even reconstructing books and coming up with a methodology so that we can determine what a taxable income is appropriate. We handle audit reconsiderations. If you were stuck with an audit that didn't go well or a tax bill you don't agree with, we might be able to help you out. And we deal with tax court and appeals and find a lot of success there. Our job is to truly represent you and to minimize that impact that an IRS problem can cause to your day-to-day life and that overall fear that you have. We are here for you. Parent and Parent LLP. Our headquarters are in Connecticut. We have an office in New York, but we help taxpayers all around the globe. You can give us a call at 888-477-4258. And actually, that spells 888-IRS-HALT. I think I paid $5 for that phone number. I think it's quite worth it. Or you can email us at info@IRSMedic.com. All your communications to us are protected by the attorney-client privilege, so feel free to send us a message and see if we can help you.